Hello everyone, this is my first video in the series of me recording every day and sharing what I learned throughout my day. And today I'll be talking about what I learned so far from a book I'm reading called Hello World by Hannah Fry. In her book, she talks about how we increasingly, but perhaps unknowingly, rely on algorithms that are found everywhere around us in every single part of our life. She talks about algorithms being used by the police to decide who should be arrested, algorithms being used by judges to decide on whether a criminal should get parole, algorithms being used by the judges to decide the sentences, uh, algorithms that are being used by uh, driverless cars, algorithms with the power to undermine our democracy. Today, I will be just talking about the types of different algorithms and their pros and cons. So, there are two different types of algorithms. The first one is rule based algorithms. This is when the human programmers they write instructions and which are direct and unambiguous. You can imagine these instructions as following the logic of a cake recipe. Step 1 do this, step 2 do that. Machine learning algorithm on the other hand, they are inspired by how living creatures learn. To give you an analogy, think about how you might train a dog to give you a high five. You don't need to write down a set of instructions and uh, communicate that to the dog. You just need to have a clear objective in your mind, reward good behavior, ignore the mistakes, and do this repeatedly over a long time, and the dog will automatically learn. The programming alternative is equivalent is called machine learning algorithm. You give the machine data, a goal, and feedback when it's on the right track, and leave it to work out the best way of achieving the end. Now, both types have their pros and cons. Because rule-based algorithms have instructions written by humans, they are easy to comprehend, and in theory, anyone can open them up and just understand what's going on. Machine learning algorithms, however, because they they have the advantage of using machine learning algorithms is that they have proven to be remarkably good at tackling problems where writing instructions won't work. For example, they can recognize objects in pictures, understand words as we speak them, like Siri and Alexa and so many other AI assistants. They can translate while we speaking language from one to other. They can all of these tasks basically what which all of the tasks which the rule-based algorithms struggle with. But however, the downside is that when you let a machine figure out the solution for itself, the route it takes to get there is a mystery, even to the smartest programmers. And that is what is concerning and what the debates about AI are around. That you, as programmers, they don't even understand how the AI and the machine learning algorithms are working. So that is, I find that very intriguing and very shocking that how can just a computer machine with no emotions or a non-living thing do something such impressive task and just do it itself. We don't even know the humans that code don't understand how it's being done, and that's just mind-boggling basically. Yeah, so this was a brief introduction to the two types of algorithms and their pros and cons of each. Thank you.